how to register Vanilla Visa gift card. In order to do so, you may follow this step. So open up Chrome or any free browser and type in Vanilla Gift. After that, you'll be finding a very first result, which is vanillagift.com. Go ahead and locate up that link and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. And then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, what you can do is, from the given options, you may select the option called Activate Your Card or Check Balance, either of the option. Let's head over the option called Activate Your Card. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you will be taken to this page. Now here what you need to do is simply enter up your card details to check balance, review transactions, or activate your gift card. So here enter up your card number, your expiration date, and your CVV and continue. And once you continue, you will be able to access and activate your Vanilla gift card. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.